Hi friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this very beautiful Rakhi card in very less time. So this is a last minute card you can create for your brother. So you just need to open this ribbon and you will get this beautiful card inside this. So you can add any message inside the card. So let's get started. For this we need some multicolored 3mm strips, rounder, ruler, pencil, scissor, quilling tool, liquid glue, any kind of ribbon to tie, pattern paper, black and yellow color thick sheet. First I am taking this black color sheet which measures 27 by 9 centimeters, and I have just creased the sheet on 4.5, 9, 18 and on 22.5 centimeters. Now I am folding all the creases. Now on this side, using 4.5 cm radius, I am making one semicircle. Similarly, on other side I am making one semicircle. Now I will cut this semicircle. So it will look like this. Now I am taking this 11 by 11 centimeter scrap paper and just making an 8 petal flower. Like this. Now I am taking one pattern paper sheet and I will just trace this 8 petal flower on this. Now cut this pattern paper flower. Like this. Now take your ruler and make a line in the center of the flower and just divide the flower in 2 equal parts. So I will tuck these flowers on back side of these semicircles. So I am just adhering it using some glue. Like this. Now taking one ribbon so that we can close our card, and from back side I will paste this ribbon, and on right side I will just create a bow. So according to that I am adjusting my ribbon. Now adding little glue on back side and connecting the ribbon. Now I'm decorating the card from inside and outside using some yellow sheets and some pattern paper. These two semicircles are created using 4.3 cm radius. These two panels are 4 by 8.5 centimeters and the center panel measures 8.5 by 8.5 centimeters. Similarly, on back side I am adding one 8.5 by 8.5 centimeter pattern paper square. So the card is ready. Now to decorate the card I am making some quilling flowers. So to create first petal I am taking half strip of pink color and making one semicircle. In the same way I am creating one more semicircle. Now I am taking half strip of purple color and making one leaf shape. And I am joining all three petals together. And wrap this whole petal using purple color strip. In the same way we need total 5 petals, so I am joining all 5 petals together and in the center I will add half cut pearl. Now I will show you this small flower. For this I am taking half strip of peach color and making one teardrop shape. Now joining all 4 teardrops and adding half cut pearl in the center part. So this tiny flower is also ready. We need 2 this type of flowers and I have also created some scrolls using light green strips. Now I have written this happy Rakhi sentiment on pre-die cut tag. I got this tag from my pattern paper pack. Now I am adding these flowers and scrolls to decorate this tag. If you don't find tags, you can also just cut any sheet and write the sentiment on top of this. This is done. Now, since this sentiment is not looking very attractive, so I have again written the same sentiment on white color sheet using black marker just to highlight it little more. So I am tucking this strip behind the flowers. And now I think this is looking perfect. So I am adding this tag on the ribbon. Since this ribbon is cloth made, so I am adding double-sided tape, but you can also use any kind of liquid glue to adhere your sentiment. just peel the liner and add little more glue on top of this and connecting this sentiment. Remember, you need to add the sentiment only on the ribbon. Don't add on your card, otherwise it will not get open. So it's really very easy to operate. You just need to open the ribbon and the card is ready. Now I am adding this handmade butterfly to decorate the card from inside. If you want to learn the butterfly, I have given the link in description box, you can check there. I have just folded this butterfly from the center and now I am adding little glue and connecting with the card. So you can close the card like this and you can add any message on this yellow color panel. So now I am just closing my card by making little knot. So my Rakhi card project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting video and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.